Wow. It is good to be good and bad to be burned. I tell you one thing. This baby Oku's burial has taught me so much. You know, when you are doing good, people are watching you. What I saw today, I mean, trailer load of cow by one person, a billionaire, gifted baby Oku. Trailer load of cow. Now tell me, don't you think baby Oku must have done such in the past that this man in return want to reciprocate back? One thing we don't know is that it's good to be good and bad to be burned. Baby Oku is not just a giver, he's a cheerful giver. I've come to know this man for over 5 years. During the burial of his father-in-law in Anambra State, you can attest to me, he built a duplex, furnished it to the letter. I mean, who could have? This man is a unique man. I am Baby Oku. I am Baby Oku. I don't know the source of your wealth, but from what I'm seeing and from what people are saying, your people from Ebonyi State, the source of your wealth, I mean, the well of your wealth will never run dry. The burial is not just a burial, it's a carnival of its own. If you ask me, I will tell you that Baby Oku's father's burial is the latest and the best I have seen so far. This man, look at the man. More than 500 cows. I have never seen such before. You may not understand this. When you are doing things, people, of course, you don't need to be told now. I am saying this for those of you to learn how to give. Let me just keep mute. I want you to see this because I had to just take a little shot to entertain you with, to see how far it was on Baby Oku's father's funeral. It was a carnival of it. So look at the helicopter bringing down the father's corpse. The man is already there in heaven. If you ask me to judge, he will be made the president of all this age mate over there. I have not seen someone being brought down from Nigeria on a helicopter. Nah, Baby Oku, you are too much. Chief Stephen, your son celebrated you in life and in death. God bless you, Baby Oku. 92 years old is not 92 days or 92 months. That is one thing I love about my people here from Obosi. They will celebrate you when you are alive. You will see those things happening in Obosi, you know. So Baby Oku celebrated the father when he was alive, and during the funeral also turned the funeral into carnival. Let me allow you to watch this. Happy view.
I'm very sharp.